People often say to me, no, I'm not using Copilot. I prefer to use Claude. Well, did you know Claude is inside Copilot now? I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. Here I am in the Copilot app, and you can see that I'm signed in here. I've got a premium account, and I've got the work web toggle. Over on the top right, when I go to auto, this is where I can choose the model. I can put it in auto and just drive, like having an automatic car, and Microsoft will choose the best model for the job. I can choose a quick response, which is GPT 5.5, or think deeper with GPT 5.5, which are the default models for Copilot currently, as of July 2026. But look, now I've got Claude. So if I specifically want to use Opus from Claude, I can click to use that model and work away. So yes, Claude is inside Copilot, and Copilot is up to date with the same model that GPT is running currently. What's new is we've got a new design button here. Let's try that and see how that looks. This gives me the same functionality, but they've changed the layout. Instead of having the work web toggle up the top, I've got work IQ here, and if I click, I can turn it off, which accesses web, or I can uncheck it, which allows me to access my Microsoft 365 account data. And here I've got the same models available. If you've got more questions or want to know more about unlocking the potential of your Microsoft 365 license, get in touch today.